Transformo is working around, noticing people looking sad and talking among themselves.
My computer got hacked. All my accounts are gone.
That bad hacker causing trouble again.
I need to help them. It's time to transform.
Transform in a way chat hacker with a laptop.
Transformo is typing furiously on his laptop.
I write a special program to stop the bad hacker. Let's make the internet a place safe again.
The bad hacker is suddenly surprised as his computer starts glitching.
What's happening? My computer is not working.
The bad hacker's computer goes out of order thanks to Transformo's program.
People are celebrating, no longer worried about their computers.
The bad hacker stopped. Our computers are safe now.
Transformo, you saved us.
No problem, friends. Always here to make the world a better place.
Everyone cheer for Transformo.